President ICI, Sri Ranjit Kumar Ji Agarwal, Vice President ICI, Sri Charanjot Singh Nanda, President IFAC, Mr. John Buko, Sri Aniket Sunil Talati, immediate past President ICI, and Sri Debashish Mitra, past President ICI, Sri Jay Kumar Batra, Secretary ICI, Sri Abhinav Agrawal, Chairman NIRC, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Since in this conference, more than 300 delegates from the foreign countries are participating, hence, first of all, being an Indian, I would like to welcome all the foreign delegates here in this conference. Then after that, I would like to welcome all Indian delegates also here. Friends, it is indeed a great privilege and honor to such an august gathering of brilliant minds. I am thankful to the Institute of the Chartered Accountants of India for inviting me to this flagship event of World Forum of Accountants. Friends, let me begin by referencing a compelling insight from the renowned author Yuval Noah Harari in his book *Sapiens*. In this fascinating work, Harari highlights that the very first written document in human history is not a poem, a law, or a philosophical treatise, but it's an accounting record. This ancient artifact unearthed in Mesopotamia and details the receipt of the 29,036 units of barely over 37 months. Below this record is the signature of an individual named Cushing, believed to be the first known accountant in recorded history. Think about this for a moment. The dawn of written communication, the foundation of civilization itself, was built upon bookkeeping and accountancy. It is through the meticulous recording of the transactions and the management of resources that societies began to organize, prosper, and evolve. This means your profession has roots in not just in finance or economics, but in the very essence of the human progress. Friends, you are the inheritors of a tradition that began with the first steps of civilization, a lineage that connects you directly to the first chapter of our shared human story. For being the stewards of this ancient and noble practice, your profession deserves to be celebrated. Congratulations on continuing this legacy with skill, integrity, and dedication. Friends, the role of accountants in worldly affairs has always been so critical that it seems even our religions couldn't ignore it. The Hindu tradition, we have Bhagavan Chitragupta, to divine accountant who meticulously records the deeds of every soul to decide their fate in the afterlife. In Christian mythology, we find Saint Peter standing at heaven's gates, managing the ultimate account and deciding who gains entry based on their life's balance sheet. So, I think it is safe to say that accountants have always held the most important job, whether it's balancing the books of a multinational corporation or maintaining the cosmic ledger of karmas. Friends, we are living in the information age and defined by an unprecedented explosion of information generation and remarkable advancements in our ability to handle, store, and process it. If you think about it, language itself was humanity's first tool of processing and sharing information. allowing individuals to convey their thoughts and ideas to others. When the need arose to send information across great distances, the invention of written script revolutionized communication. Later, as societies sought to spread knowledge on a larger scale, the printing press became a groundbreaking innovation, democratizing access to information. These milestones highlight the evolution of information processing tools, each step building on the last, leading us to the digital age where information is truly at our fingertips. It is a journey that has shaped not just technology, but the very fabric of the human progress. Friends, building on this evolution of the information tools, with the passage of the time, the world witnessed the rise of the modern industry, large organizations, both in the public and the private domains, all striving to provide goods and services to the society. However, the success of these entities has always depended on two critical factors. On one hand, there were tangible elements of the physical structures like infrastructure, machines, commodities, etc. On the other hand, there was the intangible realm, which further finds their base in three key aspects. First and foremost is the technology or the know-how. Then comes the second aspect of the contracts which form the backbone of inter and intra-organizational functioning, establishing the rules and the framework for businesses to operate. Last but not least, the third aspect is the role of the accurate, understandable, and the truthful information. The information became the lifeblood of large organizations, enabling effective communication, informed decision-making, and the smooth adaptation of technology and efficient execution of the contracts. And this is precisely where accountants step in as our heroes. Friends, accountants are the sentinels of the organizational transparency, tasked with the disseminating crucial information about profits, losses, cash flows, balance sheets, assets, and the liabilities. They take complex financial data and transform it into accessible, meaningful insights for a wide range of the stakeholders, be it investors, taxpayers, or customers. In a world increasingly driven by data, accountants ensure that this vital information is not just accurate, but also intelligible, laying the foundation for trust, accountability, and informed decision-making in our modern economy. Friends, in a world where information serves as the backbone of the decision-making and the communication, one thing becomes evidently clear: without truth and trust, neither any individual organization or any broad system can sustain themselves. Trust is what holds everything together. Citizens place their trust in governments and democratic institutions. Consumers trust farmers and producers to provide safe food, and the doctor-patient relationship is fundamentally built on trust. Truth and trust are the invisible threads weaving through every aspect of life, and their importance cannot be overstated. This is precisely why accountants play such a pivotal role in modern business and corporate life. They are the guarantors of truth and trust in the financial reporting. But their responsibility doesn't stop here. For information to be truly accountable, it must also be complete, accurate, and presented in a way that is easily digestible by all stakeholders. This is a responsibility that our chartered accountants have upheld in India with dedication and integrity. Friends, while being trustworthy, truthful, and maintaining integrity are fundamental individual values for any accountant. These values must also resonate collectively within the profession. These values are the cornerstone of the collective ethos that upholds the credibility of the entire financial ecosystem. However, fostering these values requires more than individual or collective commitment. It necessitates robust, eternal institutional structures, well-designed incentive system, and strong regulatory frameworks that safeguard the integrity of accounting practices. By developing and reinforcing these structures, we create an environment where truth and trust are not just ideals, but operational realities. This will ensure that the accounting profession continues to be a pillar of stability and integrity in an ever-changing financial world. Friends, India is a resurgent power on the global stage. Our businesses are thriving internationally, and so is the reputation of the Indian professionals. Among these, Indian chartered accountants have earned unparalleled recognition for their trustworthiness and expertise. The accounts you sign inspire such immense confidence that the people invest crores of rupees based solely on your word. Friends, think about the magnitude of this trust. Friends, think about the magnitude of this trust. In the matters of money, sometimes even family members struggle to trust one another. At times, siblings and spouses may not trust each other, but they trust you. Millions of people depend on the financial reports you prepare to make critical decisions about their investments, savings, and futures. This reflects how deeply society relies on your integrity and competence. Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi evoked the similar sentiment when in his speech on an earlier occasion, he emphasized the profound importance of a chartered accountant's signature, remarking that it is more powerful than that of a prime minister. Indeed, for chartered accountants, signature is not just a symbol. It is a representation of trust, integrity, and professionalism. And it has the ability to influence financial decisions, shape businesses, and impact lives of one and all. Friends, after discussing the importance of accountability based on foundation of truth and trust, let us now turn our attention to innovation. Friends, we all are aware that the technology is advancing at an extraordinary pace, transforming the way we live, work, and conduct business. In the past, the corporate landscape was dominated by large, centralized organizations, but today we see a surge in startups challenging the status quo. Transnational trade, once a distant dream, is now a reality, with companies operating across international jurisdictions and each governed by unique and complex regulations. Meanwhile, the sheer volume of information has exploded and organizations have grown larger and more intricate than ever before. This dynamic environment demands constant innovation. The traditional ways of processing and analyzing information are being challenged by new innovations whose value is still not clear. These realities mean that as accountants, you must not only learn continuously, but also innovate and adapt to stay ahead of the curve. History has shown us what happens when lapses occur. Scandals like Enron and WorldCom remind us of the devastating consequences of compromises in financial integrity. That is why your role is so vital. You are the guardians of trust, the gatekeepers of accountability, and ultimately the custodians of prosperity in this ever-evolving world. The future demands not just expertise. The future demands not just expertise, but also the courage and the creativity to innovate and uphold the highest standards of your profession. In this regard, I am told that ICIE has a robust mechanism of continuing professional education, something worthy of appreciation. Friends looking into the future, newer challenges beckon at us. It is important for you all to recognize the transformative changes in the landscape of data management and information processing in the form of distributed ledger technology. Up till now, data recording and management were highly centralized. Large corporations, banks, and institutions were the gatekeepers of information, storing and verifying crucial data like account details, biometric records, and certification in centralized systems. Governments, too, operates under centralized frameworks for information storage and processing. Accountants work within this centralized paradigm, receiving and retrieving data from single-point systems. As organizations grew larger, the degree of centralization only intensified. However, the advent of distributed ledger technology and blockchain is revolutionizing this approach, and this system is now shifting towards decentralized information storage and processing enabled by distributed consensus mechanism. This transformation means that the dishonesty or failure of a single party will no longer compromise the entire system. It has been claimed that in a decentralized setup, information is accessible across a network and no single entity holds absolute control, purportedly reducing the risk of systematic foul play. Though these are the projected advantages of the new innovation, I personally believe that the jury is still out when it comes to the long-term impact of this change. Friend, while it promises transparency and resilience, it also raises questions about the implementation, security, and oversight. We have already witnessed many unsavory episodes. I urge ICIE to critically examine this domain. It is imperative to begin analyzing and researching how accounting practices may have to evolve in this decentralized framework. How will processes adapt? What new challenges and opportunities will arise? Is the innovation worth the costs? By exploring these questions, you will ensure that the profession stays ahead of the curve, ready to embrace the future while safeguarding trust and accountability in this new era. Friends, these are some of thoughts I wanted to share with you today. Before I conclude, I want to say that while we celebrate the transformative potential of the innovation and the technology, we must also acknowledge the irreplaceable value of the human element. Machines can process data, but they cannot interpret human emotions, understand cultural nuances, or exercise ethical judgment. These are qualities that define us as professionals and as human beings. As technology takes our routine tasks, the role of the chartered accountants also needs to evolve. You no longer can remain number crunchers. You have to evolve into strategic advisors, ethical guardians, and innovators. This shift requires a new set of skills, including critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and adaptability. Continuous learning and professional development are essential to staying relevant in this dynamic environment. Friends, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to the entire Chartered Accountant fraternity on this momentous occasion. Your dedication, hard work, and commitment to excellence have been instrumental in the growth and success of our nation. As we move forward, let us continue to work together, harnessing our collective strength to build a brighter and more prosperous future for India. To my accountant friends from foreign countries, I would say that India is open to business and we mean business. We are willing to learn. We are willing to learn, willing to adapt, willing to share our expertise. That is to say, we are ready to invest in our shared planetary future in accordance of the ethos of our hoary past, which celebrates universality of the human existence and experience. Lastly, I wish this forum great success. May your deliberations inspire solutions that benefit not just business, but humanity at large. Thank you very much. Again, thank you to all.